we're dealing with a little bit of rain, a little bit of wind, but hopefully the sound will work out all right. When this big honking skillet comes out, you know there's going to be something good. Tonight we're doing a creamy sausage pasta dish, and I'll warn you, the first time you do it, be prepared to make it every week. It's that good. So let's get it cooking. We've got our skillet on the heat, on the fire. Give a little bit of olive oil, get that warmed up. Then we're going to add our sausage to get it browning. It's a little bit of everything. There's kielbasa, just regular smoked sausage, and I had just a little andouille sausage left from something else. So we're gonna throw that in there too. We'll get our sausage browned up. It's a heavy, heavy skillet. All right, we got to test the piece in there to see if we're hot enough. You can hear some of that sizzle. Let's add all our meat in. We're gonna brown up, oh, it smells good already. We're gonna brown up our sausage, then we're gonna pull it, put it back in the bowl, and then start getting our cream sauce together. Starting to brown up, I'm gonna hit this with a little home blend of SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. The way I do mine, everybody does it different. Mine is equal parts salt and pepper, and half of that amount in garlic. So a cup of salt, cup of pepper, half a cup of granulated garlic. I removed the skillet from the heat, let it cool just a little bit. It was getting too hot on me, but we're gonna add some butter in there to help pull all those flavors off the bottom. Melting down, I got my bucket of garlic. We'll add some garlic to that. Come in with a can of Rotel. I like to break this up a little bit. Hit it with 1 can of tomato sauce. About 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And yes, I'll make that look prettier later. All right, I'm using bow tie pasta that I fixed in the house, al dente, about 7 minutes. We'll add that to our sauce. It makes a skillet full. That'll all get everything good and married together and warm. Now we're going to throw our sausage back into the party. Ooh. Except for that piece right there. And that one. Those are taste test pieces. Papa sees taste test. It was yummy. Now we're coming in with the cheese. I had a block of, I don't know, about that much of a block of mozzarella, so I used the mozzarella, shredded it down, and about a half of a wedge of parmesan. Oh, I lost my fire. Wind gust. Stand by. That would be good by itself, but we're going to put some whipping cream in there and make it a little creamier. Obviously you could top this with some more Parmesan or add more to it when you serve it, but I'm going to take this inside and let it rest for a few minutes. I used about 3/4 of this. There is the final product.